The Tree Animal Nature Show by Kylie Biddleson and Hannah Evans.
Hi, and welcome to the
Nature Show.
It's very funny, by the way. And today we'll be talking to you about what we're going to pack. Is that right?
Yes.
And what type of bags you should take.
Tree stuff.
Yes, and tree animals. Okay, so first, pick a bag.
Maybe a bit fancy.
Too small.
This might be alright.
Yeah, that's fine.
Heaps of space.
Way too big and heavy. And there's some rope in it, which is awesome. And this bag's good.
That's awesome.
Okay.
Backpack. Good straps.
A comb.
Maybe some
A map.
a map of Paris, but you may get
Sunglasses.
lost.
Phones.
Yes. Good phones. Full battery. Non-broken screen.
Hats are essential. Bandage.
Yes. Essential.
Maybe
Maybe a bit
socks.
sparkly. Definitely a torch.
Sunglasses. They were mine. Another phone. A book of all what stuff I do.
Where's that thing? I found it. And
Another rope.
Good
In
rope.
the bag. Okay, now.
Always wear your hats. Sunset. We're going outside.
Come on. Look over here. If you look very closely, you can see a shellopus. But be very careful. Only always pick it up by its shell.
Oh, its legs. They're stuck in its shell. There you
That's
go.
good.
I'll put it in a safe place.
Remember,
Now look.
shell only. No
Shell
touching
only.
it with your
Because it will
hand
bite.
on your shell. It's got a big beak to bite with.
See, always put it in a safe place if you find one of these. Shell, shell, shell.
Whoa!
Wow!
Look at that!
Oh,
it's
look.
a very.
It's got a
Don't wake
thorn.
it up.
It's got a thorn in it. And, ooh.
It's a very rare tree bunny. You can only find it in New Zealand.
It's actually called an American tree bunny. Oh!
Uh-oh, you made it angry.
Ah!
Okay, pick it up by its tail. Now we'll put it over. Whoa, look at that thing!
Whoa, we've got to get down this big.
Wow! Oh, good thing we had sticks.
Don't scare
Look
it.
at this thing. It's a
Koala bear.
yeah. There's
That's
only
it.
one in New Zealand.
They're
They're
rare.
very, very rare.
And they're from Australia, as this beautiful ribbon says. Quite fun.
Look at that little.
Oh, it's a mini hippopotame.
Oh, it's a mini hippopotamus. So cute.
Oh, it's getting angry though. Better put it back.
That's freaky. Now, whoa, it's a
Whoa.
husky dog. I thought they only came from Alaska.
No, they grow in trees here in New Zealand.
Wow, that's strange.
Now, if you come over here, if you look quite closely, up into those big trees. Big trees. Yes, you
Look,
can see these
three.
American tree dogs.
There's 3 American tree
These
dogs.
are the
1,
babies,
2, 3.
and this is the mother of the.
And it's so strange, the mums always have bags on.
See, they grow in trees. See, this one is called dog. This one is called the dog. This one must be called. What does its tag say? Oh yes, there it is, Chirolina. Now, if you come over here,
There's a little tree bat. It's called
oh,
Betty.
let's see, Betty. Yes, you see on this lovely tag here.
that they grow here. It's very amazing.
See, yes, here. And if you come over just a little further.
Whoa, was that a penguin?
Oh yes,
Tree?
they're non-spotted tree penguin. Don't touch it; they get quite feisty.
It bit my finger. Better get the bandage out.
Oh yes.
Ow.
Always keep those supplies.
Ouch, ow, ow, ow. found it. Now, wrap my finger up. Not my hand. Finger, like this. Good bandage. That's good.
Yep.
And can you help me zip up the bag?
What we've been looking for this whole time is
the treasure.
which is right around here. Oh look, it's an X. X always like to spot. It's Stig. Oh no, my stick.
Oh no, there's nothing.
We got this wonderful.
Only it's a bit of rock.
It's got gold in it. Look, black gold. We shall keep this. Thank you for watching our nature show today. It was a privilege for you watching.
And I hope you found it very amusing.